Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be continuing from the previous video which we made on creating our Facebook business page. At this point in time, I want to show you how you can create a Facebook campaign that converts totally. What do I mean? You creating a Facebook campaign that actually converts your ordinary viewers into potential viewers and ultimately potential customers, people that will come to your page and take actions accordingly. So what we have to do, remember we created a page name called Prince Styles, all right, but we are not going to be creating Facebook ads from here, our business ads from here. No, Facebook has a package for us. Here, Facebook will ask you to connect your Facebook official account or the account you wish to use. You get. So now, after connecting your Facebook account, you should have this page. Remember the account Facebook page we created, Prince Style. This is the page you will have here. So if you don't mind, you have to get started with Business Suite by finishing up all these steps here. That is connecting to your Instagram, your you connect your WhatsApp and the rest of them. You just have to do those things to bring out your page very well, so it can rank your page. Do you get? So now, what our focus for this class is to create ads, because you will need these ads in the course of this class. So now, once you go to Ads Center. This is it, ads. You can see home, notification, inbox. Down the line you have ads. You click on ads. Once you click on ads, it brings us to this point where we are asked to create ads, or you learn more about ads creation. But simply click on create ads. So once you click on create ads, Facebook will also bring up an interface where it will ask us our ad goals. What are we going to do with the ads? Are we trying to get more messages? Are we trying to promote this page? Are we trying to get website visitors to our website, or are we trying to get more leads? And also there's an automated ads. Let me quickly explain this automated ads. I personally do not recommend this automated ads, because over time it will change from getting more messages to promoting your page to getting more visitors if you have a website and more leads. But we are goal specific. What we want to do is create ads that will direct people to our WhatsApp contacts. So once they click on the call to action button, it will direct them to our WhatsApp contact and they will send us a message. The ad we want to create is a cryptocurrency advertisement. So we are trying to create an ad where we will bring people into our class and teach them about cryptocurrencies. It is of high relevance, but of course you don't know how to target people who are interested in cryptocurrencies, because it's a new development. Not everyone is interested and all those things. People will just look at it apart, and it's not really easy to target people. But in the course of this class, I'm going to show you how to do this seamlessly. As you can see in our description, about that percent. The rest is your graphics. Or if it's a video advertisement, if it's compared to a video advertisement, your video advertisement tells up to 70% as well. But for this real purpose, I'm using this description. Hey, wait a minute. Do you know you can make much money silently with the knowledge of cryptocurrencies? Yes. You probably have no basics yet. No problem. Join our online free seminar where we'll be introducing to crypto trading deeply, as well as show you how you can earn up to $500. Let me edit this. Earn up to $1,000. Okay, let's leave it as 500. Let's leave it as $500 weekly. Weekly. Let's put this weekly. You know, your content has to capture people's minds. You are directing this to people who possibly would love to learn cryptocurrency after reading your description on Forsage BSD categorically and earn that amount and more subsequently on a weekly basis. Of course, you won't like to miss out. A lot of testimonies already. So click on the link. I pasted this link here. This is a link to our WhatsApp contacts. Of course, we will also include it in the send message call to action button. So you don't have to click on this automatic enhancements. You read what it means. It's not suitable for you. You don't have to automatically enhance this. So you will have to change this headline. Your headline is what captivates people, what makes people stay back and want to read what you have. Of course, if you don't have a good clickbait on your headline, it will not drag people to click on your link or to even stay back and read what you have. So what you have to do here is bring on a caption. Let us just brainstorm something. Okay, let's write something like $500 weekly. Just have to use it on all caps. Weekly on Forsage. We have a limited number of this thing. Forsage BUSD. Oh, we have limited character 25, so we cannot put everything. So now we can just leave it like this. $500 weekly on Forsage. Okay. So now we've put our description. Now this is where we are going to focus mainly on where we will target our audience. Of course, it is not easy, but we will do it. Do you understand? I'll take you through. I promise to take you guys through this process to the end. So now follow me. You have to choose your audience. Who should see your ads? You can customize your audience or people you choose through targeting. Let us choose people through targeting. Alright. Of course, people that are likely to learn cryptocurrencies are not people up to 65 years, I doubt. So you should narrow this down to people at probably 45 years old. At 45, someone can still appreciate crypto, but let's still bring it back to 40 or 40. Let's leave it at 45. That is okay. Our demograph, our location for this. No, we are not targeting people in the United States. We want to target people in Nigeria or any other country, probably United States. Let's just target people in the United States. It's still the same as we are trying to get. Okay, now detailed targeting. Okay, let me say, first of all, people who match at least one of the following. So let me just try cryptocurrency. Just like people who have at least had interest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, their interest is in cryptocurrency. At least they've visited a crypto site or they've clicked on any link that had to do with cryptocurrency before. Okay, so you add cryptocurrency. Probably people who also click on forex, also check out forex trading. Yes, people who also check out forex trading, forex online trading. Online, I'm trying to get people who are interested, who likely click on our link once they see our ad, because they will be interested in it since they have already had interest in one or more of these. So online forex trading, forex online forex trading. Again, we go forex. People who have probably clicked on forex signals, because these are the set of people who have a little idea about, or a little or more idea about cryptocurrency. So I'm trying to target those set of persons too, because it might mean something not much to an absolute beginner, someone who doesn't know anything about cryptocurrency, like a layman. But we'll try to target the layman in a nice way so we can get their interest as well. So once we've done that, we also click forex signals. Then we check out cryptography. Okay, people also check out cryptography. It's also related to cryptocurrency. People who people that is okay for us. Let's browse the normal demograph we have here. So you first of all you choose based on interests. All right, so you go to in the business industry, people that are interested in all of this, people that are interested in advertising, agriculture, because you are trying to target the general populace. You are not exempting anyone. All right, so you just speak, or we can just leave this. Let me show. Let's go by behavior. I think this is more likely to convert. Yes, let's go by behavior. Mobile users, so people who use Facebook on Android device, on iOS, on Windows. Look how we are targeting these people. People also use any kind of device. People who use all mobile devices, smartphone and tablets, and people new smartphone and tablet users. We are just trying to target people we know we can get. All right, people you can target people who use mobile device 1 to 3 months. People that are just getting new devices. Target everybody. Just target everybody, because you don't know who will likely sign up for your stuff. We are not into politics, sorry. We will go back to interest. Now over here we come to technology. I think that is just computers we have. That would be just computers. We check for people who have interest, their hobbies is in maybe acting. Are trying to target a lot of persons, all people from all walks of life, because cryptocurrency is for everybody, literally for everybody. Do you understand? It's for everybody. If you cannot do this with your mobile device, all you just have to do is target people that are using mobile device. Forget about this one. It will still convert. It will still bring people into it, because we cannot target everyone here. Cannot target everyone here. Business and industry, target advertising, agriculture, aviation. Just try as much as possible to target as many people as possible. People that are in economics, engineering, entrepreneurship, healthcare. So the list goes on and on, like it's long. You just have to target this set of person, because cryptocurrency is vast. Anyone can be interested. That's the point. We are not segregating. People that are interested in digital marketing, digital advertising, people that are online advertising, search engine optimization, all of these social media, very very important. Don't forget. Watch this video to the end, because if you miss out, you're actually missing out. Watch till the end. So now we've targeted this set of persons. All right, as you can see, it has reduced. We now have a potential reach of 150 million people. Is that 150 million people? Yes, 150 million. It's still it's here. It's not fairly broad. It's average, so we can serve this audience. After saving this audience, of course, we are trying to run this ad. You can run this ad for as many days as possible, but for the course of this class, I will want to run this, since it's a test ad. I want it to run for just probably continuously. Let it just run continuously. Then I'll set it to 500 naira. You must put this in your local currency. Once you create your business page, you have to set your currency to your local currency. Of course, it should be in your local currency, not in dollars. So put it to 500. That's cheap. So it tells us that an estimate of 54 to 155 people will be reached per day. But if you are doing this, let me show you something. And there's something very important I have to show you. Let us put this to our country, Nigeria. That is why I want to put it in Nigeria. So the likelihood of reaching more persons will be higher. So that is Nigeria. And in Nigeria, it says that we can reach 26 million persons. In US, we had about 150 after dropping the whole list. But if your target is Nigeria, you can keep going. You save the audience. You put it daily budget 500 naira. As you can see, it has increased. People to be reached will now be 564 to 100 and to 1.6. So you can see the number has increased because the demograph Nigeria is reduced. The population in Nigeria has reduced. So once you are setting up your business suite, you have this payment option. Probably when you are about to promote it, when you are about to promote your ad. So one thing before I forget, the image here, have to put an image. Yes, if you have to use an image that will actually entice people. Remember in the class I told you that we will be making use of my own personal image, my own advertising image that I made. So we'll make use of this one, put it there. So as you can see on the image, you have Forsage BUSD / introduction to crypto trading, featuring this guest speaker, host, and the rest. You have introduction, what we will be teaching, introduction to Forsage BUSD and the rest. So people actually see what you have to offer on your flyer, on your flyer. So they get more interested. They know that this is what they stand a chance to earn or to get, of course. So with this, they are likely to click on your WhatsApp button.